Robinhood Q1 2026 revenue growth and balance sheet expansion. Robinhood reports a 15% revenue increase and a sharp shift in its revenue mix with net income up 4%. Robinhood reported total net revenues of $167 in the first quarter of 2026, a 15% increase over the prior year period. Total platform assets grew 39% year-over-year, $30.73 billion, with equities holdings up 65% and cryptocurrency assets up 11%. The revenue mix shifted sharply. Cryptocurrency traction revenue percent to $34 million, while event contracts revenue reached $4 million from just $3 million a year ago, and equities transaction revenue rose 46% to $82 million. Net income attributable to Robinhood rose slightly to $350 million, with diluted EPS increasing to 30 from 37. Operating cash flow reached $4 billion. Though this was primarily driven by a $479 billion increase in payables to users, the company's user base expanded 27.4 million funded customers, with Robinhood Gold subscriptions growing 36% to 434 million users. Transaction based to 58% of total net revenues from 63% a year ago, while net interest revenue rose 24%. Gradual diversification, though part of the mix shift reflects the crypto revenue decline rather than pure expansion. The 39% year-over-year growth in total platform assets comes with caveats. Quarterly net deposits declined slightly year-over-year, $17.7 billion vs. $18.0 billion. The annualized deposit growth rate slowed to 22% from 37%. The year-ago quarter included $42.9 billion of acquired assets, and platform assets fell during the quarter itself, including the $32.5 billion of net market losses. Robinhood held low $1 billion in corporate cash and equivalents. A further $10.87 billion sits in segregated accounts that belong to customers under SEC Rule 1533 and is not available for the company's operations. Operating expenses rose 18% to $56 million, faster than the 15% revenue growth. Robinhood resolved a $45 million SEC settlement in January 25. Currently disclosed matters include a New York Attorney General investigation into brokerage execution quality and FINRA arbitrations. A significant portion of the reported cash flow is tied to customer payables, which are liabilities that must be returned to users. The impact of Federal Reserve rate cuts on net interest revenue, which management expects would negatively affect it. The outcome of the New York Attorney General's investigation into brokerage execution quality and collaring. The ability to maintain the growth of Robinhood Gold subscribers and the resulting impact on other revenues.